There are reports that the Environmental Protection Agency plans to fire about 280 staffers who work on reducing pollution in minority and low-income communities and will reassign another 175.
The staffers in the EPA's Office of Environmental Justice and External Civil Rights would be among the latest to be hit by the Trump cost-cutting acts.
National environmental correspondent David Schechter reports from Dallas on the impact of another round of funding cuts at the EPA.
What is this thing?
So this is an air monitor.
Last year, the EPA awarded Alicia Kendrick's nonprofit $500,000 to continue monitoring the air in this Dallas neighborhood, where soot from diesel trains and the fumes from a shingle factory push pollution levels 2 to 3 times higher than the rest of the city.
This is about proof.
This is about proof.
The Trump administration has frozen the funds, calling grants like this radical and wasteful government DEI programs. Without the money, the monitoring network is offline, in need of maintenance.
If we've done our part and you're not going to follow up your end of it, and you are the federal government, who can trust the federal government? Who can trust what you say?
Proving their air is polluted has unlocked solutions, such as the donation of this clinic in a box.
It's fully equipped.
So this is like a little doctor's office.
Yes.
When it opens, residents, many without access to health care, can be treated for illnesses like asthma, which is double the state average here.
Would this clinic be here if not for the air monitors?
So actually, I'm going to say no.
The EPA has canceled more than 400 previously awarded grants, including Kendrick's.
Can we still empower these residents to have that data?
Can you?
I don't know. I don't know yet. The EPA left a lot of question marks in everybody's minds.
And Kendrick can no longer find the EPA staffers who have supported her group's work. We wanted to speak to them too, but employees are not free to talk to the media.
I think they have been placed in a very difficult position.
Justin Chen is the EPA union representative in Texas.
Do you think the EPA is still interested in protecting the environment?
I think the people in the agency are still interested in protecting the environment. I can't really say for those outside of it that, control its purse strings and give the kind of orders.
The Trump administration says cutting programs such as Kendrick's eliminates special treatment for any one group. But what she sees is a country turning its back on the health and safety of communities that bear the heaviest burdens of pollution.
You're not here to protect the environment that we live in. What are you here for? What is your agency for?
So, David, some people might watch this and say, this is the outskirts of town. What do you say to people who think that?
I actually live 10 miles from Alicia's neighborhood, and you understand that this is a pocket of pollution, and there are pockets all over the place. And pollution, I don't have it in my neighborhood. It's born unevenly in different communities. That was the whole idea behind the concept of environmental justice and an Office of Environmental Justice, that some communities have a heavier burden than others, and they should get extra relief from that. The Trump administration says all communities, all people should be treated the same.
How is Alicia Kendrick's grant or her situation? What's the update on that at the moment?
I just got off the phone with her a moment ago. It has been frozen and then unfrozen by a court and then refrozen again, so they're still sitting there in limbo. What she's saying is lost beyond just the money is the sense of trust. One administration says, trust us, we'll help you. The next administration says, no, we're not going to help you. And it just further erodes how they feel in that community about the government.